So today we got this 2018 Tundra in. We're gonna do some wheels, tires, upper arms, shocks in the front and rear. We're gonna do Fox coilovers and Fox shocks in the back. It's gonna give a lot more strength, and let's get started on this. Right now, we got the OEM upper arm and the OEM shock. We're gonna be changing this to a Fox shock with an external reservoir and billet upper control arm. It'll add a lot of strength and control in the shock. So we throw in our Camburg billet upper control arm. We got rid of the stock stamped control arm. As you can see, it's gonna be a lot more stronger. We got our Fox coilover in with our external reservoir. It's gonna add a lot more shock control. So these Camburg arms are CNC machined billet aluminum, very strong. We're going over to uniballs and Heims. Other than the ball joint on the stock stuff, you're not gonna break one of these, I can tell you that. All right, so we got the OEM shock out. We got the new Fox shock, bolts in OEM positions. Got the reservoir on it with the clicker. We're gonna mount this up and it'll give us a lot more control in the rear. All right, so we just finished up on this side. We got our Kinetik Camburg billet upper control arm, our Fox shock with the DSC clicker, and let's move on to the next. So to fit the bigger tires in here, we do a body mount chop. So we chop out this portion of the frame and plate it back in, weld it in, make it look stock, and gives you a lot more clearance to run the bigger tires. All right, so we had the frame chopped, put the plate on, everything's tacked in, about to weld it in, and it'll be good to go. So once we get everything on, I'll check, make sure that we're not rubbing into the tires anywhere. And then after that, we'll send them to alignment. They'll go get aligned, come back, and then pretty much good to go. So we're all finished up for today. We've got the wheels, tires, upper arms, and shocks, and looks a lot different from when it came in, and send it off to get aligned. Everything turned out awesome. Yeah, everything went together as it should and turned out great.